In this objective question, from the given option, they are insisting us to specify the correct option illustrating meiosis stage. For this, we need to avoid the wrong option to specify the correct option. For this, let me understand the E stage of the meiosis. In the left-outing stage, the chromosomes start to condense, whereas in zygotic stage, the synaptic complex is illustrated with the unity of the two homologous chromosomes. In the pattern stage, the crossing over is executed by the recombinase enzyme to facilitate the variation. In the reproducing stage, the exchange is getting completed. In the diagenesis stage, the homologous chromosomes are moving away from each other. With this specification, we are choosing pattern stage as a correct answer. Why? Because zygote, diplotin, and diagenesis is not using recombinase enzyme. So we choose an option A as a correct answer to secure 4 mark. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation? We are giving us a recap to take the NEET notes for future reference. During pattern stage or the meiosis, the enzyme recombinase is necessary. It catalyzes the exchange of homologous area between the paired maternal and paternal chromosome. In particular, the exchange of the small segment of the DNA between two long DNA strands. With this specification, we are choosing option E as a correct answer to secure 4 mark.